Good day. Let's have a quick look at this 200 watt subwoofer kit made by Kicker, and it's for the Chevrolet Silverado. So here's how it fits under the back seat. This I believe it has a disconnect, so it can be taken out if you need the storage space under the rear seat like that. And then let's have a look at the controls. So you go to sound, like so, and I should mention there's some hard wiring to do to get this thing installed. I just let the dealer do it, about a couple, 3 hours of labor, no big deal. And so now I've got some bass output. Without the subwoofer, the system doesn't have much, if any at all. So it's an add-on. It's made for this infotainment system. It integrates seamlessly, they say. So it's an alternative to removing this system and putting in an aftermarket, which I've done other vehicles. That's cool. But this one's rather nice because it fits nicely and it wires up easily. And I've got some bass output now. Let's see if we can pick it up with this video here. Let's get a tune going here. Wonder if that comes through or not. Anyhow, there you have it, the Kicker 200 watt subwoofer kit for my 2020 Chev Silverado 1500 RST. Thanks for watching.